here I am at Lake Monroe with some birds. I'm here because I wanted to test out this camera. It's really cold. My fingers, I can't feel my fingers really, but that's okay. But I'm here with some birds, and a few of them just took flight. It was magnificent. Unfortunately, I was not able to capture the magnificent sight of them taking flight. It's something that I wish I would have been able to capture, but with my unfamiliarity of this camera, I was too slow. In addition, I can't talk very fast because my lips are frozen. I wonder when these birds will take flight. Now that I've looked back, as I just did, I see that now they're all sitting, which is 2 more sitting than were when I looked back before the last time that I looked back. I wonder if they'll take flight. Okay, now that I've looked back one more time, I see that two of them are now walking. That's kind of cool. Here, let me get out of the way so you can see those. That's kind of cool. I'm no bird magician, okay? But they're just chilling, I think. Really not doing any harm to anyone. Oh my, that one just flapped its wings. I hear a vehicle. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Well, that was really close, what just happened there. A Ford F-150 tried drifting around that little circle over there, and his tailgate just about hit the trees and fell off of that little ridge. Actually, I'll show. Right over there, over where those trees are, there's a little little ridge thing. Yeah. That would have been pretty bad. But here we are back with the birds. Kind of neat. I'm thinking I should probably find something else to do because it's awfully... Oh gosh, he's going again. Oh no, I think that's him off in the distance. I'm assuming it's a male because it's a Ford F-150 and he's drifting. And it's just more likely that it would be male, I think. Anyway, we're gonna wave goodbye to the birds. Bye, birds, and goodbye. See ya.